Food Roots today featuring a delicious tomato sauce. Our exciting journey begins in Bella Italia, then takes us through Greece, Tunisia, and Morocco before landing in Germany. Culinary-wise, we're starting off in sunny Bella Italia with a typical tomato sauce made with fresh ingredients. And how we prepare this tasty tomato sauce today on Food Routes: powdered sugar in a pan, sliced onions added, garlic is a must, tomato paste from the can. Simply delicious, right? Fresh tomatoes, how they smell. Delicious. Cut into small pieces, slowly sauté. Perfect, right? What do you think? Write your special recipe in the comments. A can of moody tomatoes from Bella Italia, please. Ideal. Chop the dried tomatoes. Fresh arugula. Salt. Basil from the pot. Pine nuts in the mortar, and let's go. Great. And here's the big thing. Pepper from the mill. Try it. Oh, it tastes delicious. Wow. Food Roots tomato sauce with fresh basil, arugula, garlic, fresh and dried tomatoes. That's it for today on Food Roots. I'd say add 1 or 2 bay leaves and let it simmer a bit longer. Goodbye, and see you next time on Food Roots.